Granted that this phone cost only 8,490 pesos and it has all the features na hinahanap ng marami sa isang budget phone, can we safely say that this is the best budget phone so far? Let's find out. The Redmi Note 10 has been launched by Xiaomi early this March 2021 and it surely does not disappoint. Kung less than 9,000 pesos ang budget mo, then tingnan natin ang phone na to kung ito ba ang para sa'yo. This is Arzel and you are watching Zel's Tech Reviews.
The variant that I got is the 464 variant or 4GB RAM with 64GB internal storage. Pebble white ang kulay na pinili ko, although meron namang dalawa pang kulay na available. At ito ay ang onyx gray and lake green. Out of the three, ang pebble white lang ang may pagka-matte ang finish sa likod, while ang dalawang variants ay glossy ang finish. Ang Redmi Note 10 ay hindi cheap sa itsura and even sa pakiramdam. It still has the Redmi logo sa bottom part ng case pero hindi na ganun kalaki kagaya ng sa Redmi 90 na nireview ko previously. Sa harap, we can see na punch hole na ang camera module ng selfie camera, a good update sa usual na drop notch. And the great news is, naka 6.43-inch AMOLED display na ang Redmi Note 10 or Full HD Plus with 60Hz refresh rate. Maliwanag and clear talaga ang display niya na may 1,100 nits din at peak brightness. Meaning, excellent ang quality ng display niya and of course, we can expect na excellent din ang quality ng videos na panonoorin mo dito. Also, ang display niya ay protected ng Gorilla Glass 3 and meron na ring screen protector na naka-install to protect from scratches. And to make sure na hindi rin magka-scratches ang likod ng phone, merong included na jelly case ang Redmi Note 10. On the side, we can find the usual volume rockers and power button. It also doubles as a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Maganda ang quality ng fingerprint sensor niya. Mabilis ang reaction time and very reliable. Sa kabilang gilid is the SIM tray with dual SIMs and a micro SD slot. Sa taas ay ang speaker grill, microphone, and IR blaster. Sa baba naman ay isa pang speaker grill, microphone, USB Type-C port at ang 3.5mm audio jack. Balik tayo dito sa likod, kung saan nakalagay ang quad camera module ng Redmi Note 10. It has a 48MP main camera, 8MP ultra-wide, 2MP macro, at 2MP depth sensor. Andito din sa tabi ng cameras ay ang flash and sa baba niyan, nakasulat ang Ultra Premium. Premium din nga ba ang resulta ng photos and videos? Tingnan natin at kayo na lang ang humusga. In my opinion, magaganda ang kuha sa Redmi Note 10 and in fact, pwede ka pang mag-shoot ng 4K video with 30fps or 1080p video with up to 60 FPS. Ang 13MP selfie camera ng Redmi Note 10 ay naka-punch hole na and ito din ang sample ng ilang selfies. Since mahilig tayong maglaro ng games, mag-YouTube, Facebook, At kahit ano pa using our mobile phones, hindi ka mabibitin sa battery ng Redmi Note 10. Meron siyang 5,000 mAh battery capacity and paired with a 33-watt charger. Mas matagal ang gamit at mabilis lang ang charging ng phone na to. From 0 to 100% charging, actual charging time is 84 minutes. It has the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 678 processor at naka-Android 11 na rin siya with MIUI 12 operating system. Sa gaming performance niya, maganda naman ang naging resulta. Using a combination of settings kagaya ng maximum brightness, maximum volume, high graphics at maximum performance, smooth lang ang experience namin sa Call of Duty. For 1 hour of playing, only 20% ang nakaltas sa battery. As usual, low settings pa rin tayo sa Genshin Impact, but it should be expected since the processor and the 4GB RAM that we have in this unit are not for heavy gaming. Kung hindi ka rin naman mahilig sa Genshin or any high-end games, walang problema kung ito ang gagamitin mo sa paglalaro. Smooth and reliable naman ang game experience sa mga casual games. Since naka-dual stereo speakers ang Redmi Note 10, you can enjoy an immersive gaming experience and mas ma-enjoy mo pa ang panonood ng videos and movies.
Well, the Redmi Note 10 is a great value, sulit na sulit phone na pwedeng gamitin for casual or heavy use, except where superb camera and gaming quality are required. If you take into account the price of this unit, wala ka nang mahihiling pa. If you are planning to buy a phone for photography or for heavy gaming, then this is not the phone for you. If you have the budget, you may want to consider the other higher priced variants in the Redmi Note 10 series or other higher end devices. Nevertheless, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 is potentially the best budget phone so far. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button below for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next one.